समझ, that is decimals. Now earlier in 5th standard already we have learned about the decimal. So again in detail this year we are going to learn about decimal. Now in decimal point, this is very important term in this lesson. So what is meant by decimal point? Mathematicians denote the separation point of the ones digit and the tens digit by writing a dot. Now see, to the left side of the dot ones digits are there, and to the right side of the dot all tens digits are there. Okay. So to separate these ones and tens digit, mathematicians use a dot, and this dot is called as a decimal point. See here, this dot is called as a decimal point. Numbers written in this form are called decimal fractions or simply decimals. For example, see, I will show you. Okay, 423.219. So this is a decimal fraction, and or it is also called as decimals. See here, these digits are called ones digit. Okay, and its place value, how it starts? Like normal, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. And the digits which are to the right side of the decimal point are called tens. Okay, tens digit means this. What is the value of the what is the place of this digit? Tenth, TENTHS. Here, tens. After that, what is the place of one? One is at hundredth place. 9 is at thousandth place. Means here, TH. We have to add the TH to the numbers which are at the right side of the decimal point. Now here see how ones, tens, hundreds, like that. Here how it is tenth. It starts with tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. What it means, tens and all? This means 1 upon 10. The whatever digit is there multiplied by 1 upon 10 or divided by 10. Then the 100 is 1 upon 100. 1000 means 1 upon 1000. And 10,000, what is the meaning of it? 1 upon 10,000. Okay. This is about the decimal point. The important term is decimal point. And when we write the number in this form, it is called as decimal fraction or simply decimal. And this was about the places: tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Now, if I will learn in detail how to find out the place value and all. Okay. See here, students. Now, what type of examples or what type of questions will be asked in this lesson? See type 1. For example, express in oral form means how to write it in words. So this 0.6. After decimal, whatever digits are there, that we have to read separately. So here 3. Before decimal, this is considered as whole part. Okay. And this is decimal part. So this 3 is whole part. So 3 point. This we have to read separately. 0, 2. Fine. Next 17. It is a whole part. So 17.516. 17.516. Next example, second type. What question? How they will ask? Express 31.706 in expanded form. Okay. Now expanded form means what do? We are writing the place digits at which place they are, that place values in the form of addition, that is the expanded form. So here also we have to do the same thing. See 31.706. Okay. So 3. Now 3 is at which place? This is 1's place and 10's. That is 3 into 10 plus 1 is at 1's place, so 1 into 1 plus. Okay. Now 7 is at which place? 10th place after decimal, no? So 10th place, that is we have to multiply 7 by 1 upon 10. 0 is at plus 0 is at 100 place, means we have to multiply by 1 upon 100 plus 6 is at 1000 place. So 6 into 1 upon 1000. Okay. So how to write it here? 30, 3 10 the 30 plus 1 plus 7 ones are 7 upon 10 plus 0 into 1, this it will become 0 only, plus 6 ones are 6 upon 1000. Okay, this is the expanded form of 31.706. Next, write place value of digit 6 in the given number. How to write here? Now students, 6 is at which place? Here 10, 100 and 1000th place, correct? So how to write it here? 7 places we will write. 7 is at 1's place, decimal point, then 10. 3 is at 10th place, 9 is at 100th place. Okay, then 6 is at 1000th place, 1000, 6, and 8 is at 10,000th place, 10,000. Okay, 8 is there at 10,000 place. That means once means we have to multiply it by 1. 10th means what I said, we have to multiply it by 1 upon 10. Here 100 means 1 upon 100. This 1000 means we have to multiply it by 1 upon 1000. So we want the place value of 6. So place value of 6 is equal to 6 into 1 upon 1000, because it is at 1000 place. So 6 upon 1000. Correct? This is the place value. Or you can write it by using decimal point also. How? See here, how many digits are at the denominator? 3. Correct? And here any whole part is there? No. So whole part we will write 0 point. Now 3 zeros are there, no? So 3 digits should be at the numerator. But numerator here only 1 digit is there. So how to make it 3? By writing 0 before 6. Means write 2 zeros before 6. That is 0.006. Now see 3 digits, whole part, nothing is there, so 0. Okay. In this way we can write this by using the decimal point also. Okay. So this is the place value of 6. 6 upon 1000 or 0.006. Now next type of question they may ask in exam is write the following numbers in place value table. Okay. So see here, this is the place value table. Hundreds, tens, 1, decimal point, 10. After decimal, what is the first place? Tenths. Hundreds means th is there. Thousands and decimal form. So see here, first number is 800s. We have to write 800s in the place value table. So 800s, 8 in 100, 8 will be there, correct? And 10 nothing is there, so 0 point. Here also whole part nothing is there, that is 0 0. And here also nothing, so no. So how to write it in decimal form? 0.08. Okay. See here, before decimal 0 only there, and after 0, 8. Here 1000 part not there only. In this way, we have to write the given number in the place value table, and this is the decimal form of that. Next, 425. Now see, look at it. It is the whole number. So 4 is at 100 place. 4 is at 100 place. 2 is at tens place. 5 is at ones place. Correct? Plus, now 5 upon 10 means 10th place. So decimal point, what is there at 10 plus? 5. And 9 upon 1000, that is 9 is there at thousands place. So 100 place 0 and at 1000 place 9 is there. So how to write it in decimal form? 425.509. Okay, this is the decimal form. Next, 61. 61 means this is the whole number. 60 means 6 tens. 61. Okay, and 478 thousands. See here, how many? 478 thousands are there. So how to write it? 61.478. 61 and 478,000. Okay. Next, 9 hundreds, 8 tens and 34,000. So 900 means in hundreds table 9. How many tens are there? 8. Okay. And ones not mentioned, that is we have to write 0. Okay. And how many thousands are there? 34,000. That is 10 place nothing is there, and 34,000 are there. Okay. So 10th place we have to write because 34,000 are there. So how to write it in decimal form? 980.034. Okay. In this way, we can write the numbers in place value table. Okay, understood? This is the place value table. Place value table means what? We have to mention the places, and in that particular places which digit will come, that we have to mention. Okay. Next type of question may be convert the following to decimal form without using decimal table or without using the that place value table. We can write the given numbers in decimal form. Now see here, 13 and 465,000. 13, that means 13 is the whole number. Okay. Point 465,000. So how to write 465,000? Okay. Next, 4 and 22 hundreds. That is 4 is whole number. Now 22 hundreds are there. So how to write 2200? That is 1000 place nothing is there. So 4.22. Now 6 hundreds, 8 tens. Now how to write 600 and 8 tens? That is 680. Correct? Ones place nothing is there, so 0. These are whole numbers. And 62 thousands. That is tens place nothing is there. Direct how many thousands are there? 62 thousands. Okay. Next, 42 ones and 42,000. So how to write 42 ones and 42,000? Again here tens place nothing is there. So how to write it? 42 ones and 42 thousands. Okay. This is called practice 6.1. In that question number 1 is express the following in written or oral form. In two ways we have to write. Okay. So see here, how to write it? Either we can write 0.5 or 5 tenth, because 5 is there at tens place. So see here, we can write 0.5 54 hundreds. Or you can write 5 tens, 4 hundreds, or 54 hundreds. Now next, third one. See here. How to write it? 0. Point. Each digit separately we have to write. 9 to 8. 9 to 8. Or 900 and now see here. This is at 10th place. This is at 100th place. And this is at 1000th place. So total how many thousand did we get? 928 thousands. So how to write it? Or 900 and 28 thousands. Okay. This one is fifth. And this one is sixth one. Fourth one you do yourself. Now see here 19, how to write it? 19.805 or 19, only, no need to write ones, okay? Only 19 and 805 thousands. Here how to write? 96 point 005. 005 or how to write 96 and 96 and only 5,000 because 5 is there at 1000 place. So 5,000. Okay. Now question number 2. Write following numbers in decimal form. 8.38. 8.38. In this way. Next, 21.04. 21.04. Next, 9.009.